recently went on a trip to New Orleans, and one of the best things we ate there were shrimp po' boys. I love them so much that I had to create my own Kansas City style. And it's pretty much the same as an authentic po' boy, but instead of the traditional fried shrimp, I'm doing it grilled. Enough talking, let's get to it. Ingredients are simple. You'll need 4 shrimp skewers, raw shrimp, Cajun seasoning, olive oil, hoagie rolls split, sliced tomatoes, shredded romaine lettuce, pickled chips for a side, and of course you gotta have that Cajun remoulade sauce. I made my own today, but you can always buy it at your local Price Chopper if you're pressed for time. All right, first things first, let's get our grill going. We're cooking over medium-high heat today. Next, let's soak the skewers in water for about 20 minutes. This will help keep the skewers from burning while on the grill. While those do their thing, let's prep our shrimp. In a large bowl, toss the shrimp, the seasoning, and the olive oil together and set it aside for 10 minutes. We want all those flavors and spices to coat each piece of shrimp nicely. Once you get the grilling out the way, all that's left is to make the sandwiches. Thread the shrimp onto the skewers and place them on the grill to cook for about 6 minutes, turning them once. You'll know they're done when they turn a light pink color and the internal temperature reaches 145. I'm also throwing the hoagies on the grill to get them lightly toasted. So during the last minute, place them cut side down onto the rack for just about a minute or 2. Shrimp's done, bread's done. Let me show you how it's done. In this order, spread the remoulade sauce on the cut side, remove the shrimp from the skewers, and fill the rolls with the same shrimp. Don't be stingy, pile it up. Next, add a few slices of tomatoes and a nice handful of shredded lettuce. And voila, this po' boy is done. I have a few pickled chips here on the side, but you can place them on the sandwich if you like for some extra flavor. Bring a taste of the Big Easy in your home with this delicious Creole delicacy. And FYI, this recipe is in the spring edition of the Price Chopper Gatherings magazine. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.